company. The operations executives are gathered, tense faces reflecting the gravity of the situation. The CEO, a seasoned leader determined to implement the digitalization initiative. Head of operations, a pragmatic manager focused on production continuity. HR director, a skilled communicator responsible for employee relations. Chief technology officer, a visionary leader driving the digitalization strategy.
We are facing a critical situation. The protest threatens to disrupt the production at a crucial time. We need a plan, and we need it now.
So the digitalization is vital for our future. So we can't afford to delay it, but we also can't ignore the employees' concern. So we need to find a balance.
We need to understand their anxieties. Job security is a major concern. We need to reassure them that we're not abandoning them.
The automation will create new opportunities. So we need to highlight the benefits of digitalization, both for the company and the employees.
Let's break this down. We need to address the protest, manage the productions, and to ensure the smooth transition. What are your options?
We need to open a dialogue with the employees. We need to listen to their concerns and address them directly. We can offer training programs, career counseling, and even financial assistance to help them adapt to the changes.
We need to ensure production continuity, and we can't afford a 2 week shutdown. We need to explore temporary solution like overtime for existing staff or hiring temporary workers.
We need to showcase the benefits of digital and its impact on the company's future. We can also highlight the new skills and opportunities that will arise.
Good. We need to act quickly and decisively. Let's create a three-pronged strategy. Immediate action. Open a dialogue with the employees. We need to meet them, listen to their concerns, and offer immediate solutions like temporary compensation of packages and retraining programs. Production continuity. We need to implement a temporary plan to maintain production. This could involve the overtime of existing staff, hiring temporary workers, or even sourcing production from a third party manufacturer. The third one is the long term strategy. We need to create a comprehensive plan for the transition of digitalization. This includes the training and development, providing employees with the necessary training and skills to adapt to a new technology, career counseling, offering the guidance and support to help employees to explore their career paths of the employees during the transition period. And the last one is the transparency and communications, maintaining open and honest communication with employees throughout process. This is a challenging situation, but we can overcome it. We need to act with empathy, transparency, and a clear vision for our future. We need to demonstrate that we value the employees through contributions and that we are committed to a smooth and successful transition.
The scene fades as the executives finalize their plan, determined to navigate their turbulent period and emerge stronger on the other side.